Hey guys, so in this video I would like to show you 5 online business that you can do to start making $10,000 every month. Okay, so the 5 online business that I'll be showing you in this video, they are 100% legit. They are what that I am doing presently that are fetching me good money. Good money online. That's that. Alright, so before I get into it, please, as you are watching this video, kindly look below this video. You will see the subscribe button there, the red subscribe button there. Kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, please guys, kindly do so that every time I post new video, you will be seeing it in your on your YouTube accounts. Alright, so let's get into it. So I'll be showing you in this video, it is called affiliate marketing. You understand? So affiliate marketing is one of the easiest way to make money online. You understand? So because it is very easy, though it's not that easy like that too, but it does not involve a lot of technical stuff. Do you understand? So this affiliate marketing it just involve you helping another people selling their product and you receive commission in return. You understand? Like helping another person selling their ebooks online. Okay, you help them advertise the ebook, you make sales. So when you make sales, so the vendor will just give you 50% or more than that or even less. Do you understand? And you make money, the vendor also make money. You understand? So this was what affiliate marketing involve, and it is very easy to get started with it. So here I've listed two websites you can register with and get started with affiliate marketing. So the first one is clickback.com, the second one is jvzoom.com. So you can just click on this website and register with them and look for a product that you can promote. Okay, just look for the product that you can promote, then click on the product, get your affiliate link from there. So when you get the affiliate link, you can just head over to your Facebook account, your Instagram account, your Twitter account, and be posting the product on your Facebook account or your Twitter account or your Instagram account. So whenever you make sales, you make money and the vendor make money too. Whenever you make sales, you receive commission from the sales. Do you understand? So it is very simple. So the second one I would like to talk about, it is Amazon Kindle. You understand? Selling ebook on Amazon Kindle. You understand? So this is very easy. If you have already write ebook in the past or book in the past, you can easily sell this ebook on Amazon Kindle and be making money. You understand? But if you are just some kind of people that don't like writing stuff or something like that, you can just head over to a site like fiverr.com, upwork.com, then look for a good ebook writer that can write the ebook for you. Just pay him and let him or her write the ebook for you, then he posts it on this website and you will be making sales. So do you understand? Good. So it is very easy. Do you understand? Okay, so let's head over to the third one. So the third one is online courses. Okay, if you are someone like me that just like teaching people stuffs like this, you understand, you can make money by creating online course. You understand? Online courses on anything that you know. If you know anything and you wish that this thing that you can teach another person, okay, just create video on the stuff, then head over to one of these websites like Udemy or teachable.com. Head over to one of them, then register an account with them, then upload all your video there, do the course and post it there. So put the price that you would like to be selling the course to people, put it there. So whenever anybody patronize the course, they pay you and they get the course. Understand? So it is very easy. So the fourth one is called freelancing. Okay, like I must tell you, freelancing is one of the easiest way to make money online. It's very easy if you have the skills. Like you are a graphic designer, you are a graphic designer, you are a writer, you are a SEO expert, you are a programmer, you can make money with this website. You understand? Or if you can do a virtual assistant, you can make money with this business. You understand? All you just have to do is just to head over to one of these three websites. Just register an account with them. Do your profile very well. Make your profile caching. You understand? Make your profile caching and offer your service on these websites. If you are a programmer, graphic designer, writer, just offer your service on this website, and whenever anybody needs your service, it will message you directly and tell you that they need your service, and you render the service and you get paid. So these three websites that are listed here, they are 100% legit, no scam maker. So I will even suggest that you start with Fiverr.com first, because it is very easy to get started with Fiverr.com. On Upwork.com you may have an issue with them approving your account, so it's not easy for them to just approve your account. But this Fiverr.com, it is very easy. This freelancer, there's a lot of competition there. Understand? So sorry, this freelancer.com, there's a lot of competition there, so I just suggest you start with Fiverr.com. From then you can move over to Upwork and then move over to freelancer.com. So this is the fourth one. So the fifth one I would like to show you is this. So it's called blogging. Of course, in one way or the other, you might have heard the word blogging before. Understand? You might have heard the word blogging before. Okay, so it is very easy to get started with blogging. There are two ways you can make money with blogging. Is either you create a free blog account, a free website, or you create a paid website. Understand? If you want to start blogging for free, so I've listed three websites here. This is the first one, Blogger.com, WordPress. So these are the three websites that you can use to start blogging for free. Okay, but if you want to start blogging with a paid website, you understand, you will need another course on that. I must be sincere with you, because it is very technical stuff. Okay, I will be sincere with you. Blogging is very technical. Understand? So you can make money with blogging if you have passion for anything. You can create blog on it, okay, and be posting content on it and be getting engagement. From there you can put AdSense or ad on your website, then you make money with it. Or you can even put your affiliate link on your website and you'll be making money. Okay, so it is very simple. So these are the 5 online business that you can get started today and be making $10,000 every month. Okay, good. So you can get started. Just look through these 5 business model. Anyone that you will, out of these 5, choose anyone that you will love to get started with. Okay, so if you choose it, so what you just need to do next is just you subscribe to my YouTube channel, scroll down, then comment the business model that you want to get started with. Comment it below this video, and I will send you a link where you can get a full course on how to get started with that business model just for free. That's not, I won't collect a dime from you, I promise you that, guys. So that's just the 5 business model. So alright guys, so here's my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification button. Okay, thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, just click the subscribe button and click the notification button. Do you understand? Alright, so once again, so before I go, let me remind you, just look to the 5 business model. Anyone that you feel like you want to get started with, just choose it, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, then scroll down under the comment section, just put the name of the business model that you like to get started with. If it is blogging, freelancing, if it is affiliate market, just put it there. Then I will reach out to you. I will give you a link whereby you can get a full video, full course on how to get started with that business model for free. You understand? Good. So this is what I want to have for you. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, thank you.